Describe the benefits of reliability and predictability in the cloud. Reliability and predictability are two crucial cloud benefits that help you develop solutions with confidence. Reliability. Reliability is the ability of a system to recover from failures and continue to function. It's also one of the pillars of the Microsoft Azure well-architected framework. The cloud, by virtue of its decentralized design, naturally supports a reliable and resilient infrastructure. With a decentralized design, the cloud enables you to have resources deployed in regions around the world. With this global scale, even if one region has a catastrophic event, other regions are still up and running. You can design your applications to automatically take advantage of this increased reliability. In some cases, your cloud environment itself will automatically shift to a different region for you with no action needed on your part. You'll learn more about how Azure leverages global scale to provide reliability later in this series. Predictability. Predictability in the cloud lets you move forward with confidence. Predictability can be focused on performance predictability or cost predictability. Both performance and cost predictability are heavily influenced by the Microsoft Azure well-architected framework. Deploy a solution built around this framework, and you have a solution whose cost and performance are predictable. Performance. Performance predictability focuses on predicting the resources needed to deliver a positive experience for your customers. Auto-scaling, load balancing, and high availability are just some of the cloud concepts that support performance predictability. If you suddenly need more resources, auto-scaling can deploy additional resources to meet the demand and then scale back when the demand drops. Or if the traffic is heavily focused on one area, load balancing will help redirect some of the overload to less stressed areas. Cost. Cost predictability is focused on predicting or forecasting the cost of the cloud spend. With the cloud, you can track your resource use in real time, monitor resources to ensure that you're using them in the most efficient way, and apply data analytics to find patterns and trends that help better plan resource deployments. By operating in the cloud and using cloud analytics and information, you can predict future costs and adjust your resources as needed. You can even use tools like the total cost of ownership, TCO, or pricing calculator to get an estimate of potential cloud spending. Describe the benefits of security and governance in the cloud. Whether you're deploying infrastructure as a service or software as a service, cloud features support governance and compliance. Things like set templates help ensure that all your deployed resources meet corporate standards and government regulatory requirements. Plus, you can update all your deployed resources to new standards as standards change. Cloud-based auditing helps flag any resource that's out of compliance with your corporate standards and provides mitigation strategies. Depending on your operating model, software patches and updates may also automatically be applied, which helps with both governance and security. On the security side, you can find a cloud solution that matches your security needs. If you want maximum control of security, infrastructure as a service provides you with physical resources, but lets you manage the operating systems and installed software, including patches and maintenance. If you want patches and maintenance taken care of automatically, platform as a service or software as a service deployment may be the best cloud strategies for you. And because the cloud is intended as an over-the-internet delivery of IT resources, cloud providers are typically well suited to handling things like distributed denial of service, DDoS attacks, making your network more robust and secure. Describe the benefits of manageability in the cloud. A major benefit of cloud computing is the manageability options. There are two types of manageability for cloud computing that you'll learn about in this series, and both are excellent benefits. Management of the cloud. Management of the cloud speaks to managing your cloud resources. In the cloud, you can automatically scale resource deployment based on need, Deploy resources based on a pre-configured template, removing the need for manual configuration. Monitor the health of resources and automatically replace failing resources. Receive automatic alerts based on configured metrics, so you're aware of performance in real time. Management in the cloud. Management in the cloud speaks to how you're able to manage your cloud environment and resources. You can manage these through a web portal, using a command line interface, using APIs, using PowerShell,